a piece of ice of volume, a piece of ice, there is a piece of ice, its volume is, if I am writing the data section, volume is 432 centimeter cube, 432 centimeter cube, and density of that is 900 kg per meter cube. Floats in a sea water. Okay, this ice now floats in a sea water. Let me say this is sea here. Okay, this is sea. Okay, now this ice cube is floating in the sea water. Of density, okay, this is ice density. Now density of sea water is 1.08 grams per centimeter cube. What is the volume of the ice? You have to calculate what is the volume of the ice above the sea water when it floats. Okay, so what the question is that there is a ice piece here. Now we put the ice piece into the sea water. Now what happens is some amount of volume of ice floats, means it is above the sea water, and some amount of ice is below the sea water, sea level, water level. Okay, but it is floating here above. In the upper level it is floating. It is not completely immersed, it is partially immersed. You have to calculate the volume of the ice which is above, floating above. It is above and below, immersed. You can take like that. Okay, total volume is equal to volume above plus volume below, or volume immersed. That is this one, volume above is this, volume below is this one. Total is VA plus VB is total volume of the ice. Now we have to calculate volume above is equal to how much? How to calculate? Now we know by flotation law formula that volume of the, what does it says? Weight of the solid is equal to weight of the liquid immersed. Okay, liquid immersed. It is not liquid above, but it is liquid which is weight of the liquid displaced. Sorry, liquid displaced means it is the weight of the liquid. It is something which is related to the volume immersed here. From here we can find out that volume of the solid into density of the solid. Density of the solid is equal to volume of the liquid into density of the liquid. Here, do we have the volume of the solid? Here, solid is ice. Okay, so solid is ice. Do we have Vs? Yes, we have. Do we have Vds? Yes, we have. Do we have Dl, which is nothing but water? So I will replace it by liquid. Okay, yes, we have. Do we have Vl? No. What is volume of the liquid? Volume of the liquid which is displaced in Archimedes principle. When a body is immersed here, it displaces some amount of water. This water's volume will be the volume of the liquid. So when this ice was immersed here, some amount of water must have been displaced from the sea. Now this displaced water has certain volume. What will be the volume of that? It will be the volume equal to the volume of immersed ice. What volume of the liquid displaced, that is this volume, will be equal to the volume of the immersed liquid. Now on the ball, if you are immersing a ball inside a tub, what amount of volume the ball has got, which is immersed, same amount of or same volume of water will be displaced from the tub. So this volume of the solid substance which is immersed will be equal to the volume of the water displaced. Okay. So here this VL is volume of water displaced as well as volume below. Okay. So I can replace this by ds volume below, here ice, volume of ice below into the density of liquid. So if I calculate, why I am doing this is, if I can calculate the volume immersed, then I know the total volume of the solid, right? Yes, total volume of the solid I know, that total volume of ice I know. If I can calculate this one, that means if I can calculate this one, as I know this, if I subtract this one from this one, then I can get this one. That is, I know this is 432 is equal to volume below, that can be calculated from here. So if I calculate it from here, From here, if I am subtracting this, I can get the VA which is asked. That is the reason why we are going like this. Now, from here, VS by DS, I'll shift this DL this side because that is something I know, and VB is something to find. Okay, so this is formula section. Now let me go for solution section. I got the formula finally as volume below is equal to volume of the solid into density of the solid into divided by density of the liquid. Volume of the solid is 432 centimeter cube. See here, now this is in centimeter cube, this is in grams per centimeter cube, this is in kg meter per. So only one value is in SI system. It would be better for me to convert that into CGS system instead of converting the other two. So what I am doing is I am converting this 900 kg per meter cube into CGS system, that is 900 kg to gram is 10 raised to the power of 3 divided by meter to centimeter is 10 raised to the power of 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter or 10 to the power of 2 centimeter. Now 900, now 1 meter cube is equal to how much, right? So it is this one 10 to the power of cube whatever value into 10 raised to the power of minus, is it minus plus 10 raised to the power of plus 6, okay, cube it is meter, okay. 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to the power of 2 centimeter. 1 meter cube is equal to 10 raised to the power of 6 centimeter cube. Now it's right. So 1 meter cube can be replaced by 10 raised to the power of minus 10 raised to the power of plus 6 centimeter cube. So now this is in grams per centimeter cube. So as required. So now we will use this value. Volume of the solid is 432 into density of the solid is 900 into 10 raised to the power of 3 whole divided by 10 raised to the power of 6. Okay. 10 raised to the power of 6 into density of liquid. What is density of liquid? That is 1.08 into 10 raised to the power of 6. This 6 comes from this one. Okay, here 10 raised to the power of 6 comes from this one. It is in the denominator. Now if you calculate this, if you are substituting the value and calculating it, then it is 432 into 900 divided by 1.08 is equal to 360000 into 10 raised to the power of plus 3. This 10 raised to the power of plus 6, when moved to the numerator, it becomes minus 6. Okay. So now this becomes 360. Now this becomes 36000 into 10 raised to the power of minus 3. Okay. Which is equal to, after substituting this, it will be 360. 10 raised to the power of minus 3 means divided by 1000. So 0 cancels. 360 Newton. So this is the volume below. Okay. But we have to calculate the volume above, not volume below. How to calculate the volume above now? We know, what is this formula? Where is it? Okay. Total volume is equal to volume above plus volume below. What is the total volume? 432. What is the volume above? We don't know. What is the volume below? Just we found, that is 360. Okay, 360. Now subtract this. 432 minus 360 will be the volume above. minus 360. It is 432 minus 360 is 72. So volume above will be equal to 72 centimeter cube. Okay, volume above will be 72 centimeter cube. So this is the third sum of class assignment 8. Okay. So next sums we will discuss in our next class.